Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hello. How is everybody doing today? Fine, I hope it is rainy Monday out here in New York City. So I am back with unboxing haul video from SHEIN and Ipsy. But before we get into this video, you should be stalking, hawking, following me. Queen McLean 87 Snapchat. IG Bad Girl 30 BAADGURL 30. TikTok Queen Diva Lifestyle. And let's get in to this unboxing video. We're gonna start with the stuff from Ipsy. Oh, I picked up some things from Target and I'm gonna show you because y'all know me. So I picked up this. I don't know if y'all can see that. And it's a baby shampoo and it's good. It smells good and it's cheap. Okay? It's cheap, but it's good. And it's worth it for some soap. I picked up a foot mask that I'm going to try on self-care day, which is soon. And I also picked up this. I'm not one of those who believe all big YouTubers that are sponsored. I think they are liars. I have to try it for myself, so I picked this up in Target. It was $25, so I will give you the deets before you run out and spend $25. Y'all know me. But let's get into this unboxing. The first unboxing is Ipsy. So let's see what I got in my Ipsy bag. Okay. This is a new bag and it's cute. Okay, it's cute. Ipsy is cute. And I have this, which I don't know what it is, but we're gonna open it. Okay, it's a nail polish. That's cute. Might give it to the kids, put it on their toes or something, cause we have this, which is a lippy. Okay. I have some mascara. I have a moisturizer. I think my light is blinding y'all, but it's okay. I don't know what that is, but I have this. And so our bag is emptied. So that was all the wonderful things that I got from my Ipsy bag for the month. I'm gonna put it back in here. Now, this SHEIN haul, I have some loungewear. I have some footwear, yes, the shoe haul, and a handbag haul. So let's get into it. So the first item is from, and it's loungewear. We're gonna do loungewear first because I ain't got that much. And it's this cute little nighttime romper, size 3X. The next item. Most of these items are 3X's or 2X's, unless I state otherwise. Another pajama set. And it is a pajama set because I could not See? This, I think, is a dress or a pajama set. I'm not too sure. Oh no, it's a robe. This is the belt. So it's pink. And so this is robe. This is the robe. And it's cute. So we have another robe, I think. Yeah. In this pretty blue with flowers. And it has the belt, and I think we have the dress this time, which is this. Nope. Pajamas. Cute little butterfly romper. Lounge wear for the house. So, let me know what you think, what you like in the comments below. So this is another loungewear short set. This is the top. And this is the bottoms. And they gave me a sleep mask. This is some anklet. I'm pretty much sure it's an anklet. This is cute, y'all. And it's a dress. A loungewear dress. Don't be wearing this outside. I don't want to see you outside in it. I'm telling you now. This is another dress, which is cute. Now, let's get into the shoes and the bags. Okay? Because that's what I think I want to do. So, I bought these furry flip-flops from SHEIN in size 8. So, one pair. I bought these, which I thought was cute too. Size 8, pair number 2. I also brought these because they're cute. And I brought these. I think they're cute. Gotta know how to dress to wear the stuff I bought. And of course I brought these because I'm too girly. But they're cute. And then I got these. Because they were cute. Now, if you know me and you've been here, you know I'm a pocketbook queen. So when I say I didn't need no bags, but I brought them, I didn't need them. But I brought them. So, the first bag up is this cute little black bag. And I like it. I love the detail, the change. Cute. And so the next ensemble is a white crocodile bag. Small, cute, something to run earrings with. Yes, cute. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to open these fire. I have another bag, which is navy blue. For them days you just want to wear some jeans, cute shirt, some flip-flops, and make it look good. Comes with the strap. Yeah, this is the strap, and this is the bag. This is cute, y'all. And yes, I had to have it. And she's multiple compartments. She comes with her strap. I love little cute bags like this. I do. Some glasses. I got a bunch of stuff, y'all, over there. Scissors are not great. She is bougie bougie. Yes, the bougie bougie ghetto queen. Yes. Uh, excuse me. Yes, bougie. Disclaimer, do not come for me about my nails. I'm getting them done. Anklet. Another anklet. A chain or anklet. Another anklet. Some shoes. These are cute. I'm gonna hide them, but they're cute. Another anklet. And another pair of furry slides. And that concludes my unboxing and my SHEIN and Ipys haul for y'all. Stay blessed, not stressed. Later, love.